tree house in Munnar, a dream stay above the clouds. High above the tea gardens, wrapped in clouds and silence, today I am staying in a beautiful tree house in Munnar. This is not just a stay, it's an experience. Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel Travel with Curie. We are in Treehouse Munnar. Please watch this video till the end. रिसेप्शन पे सारी फॉर्मेलिटीज एंट्री की पूरी करने के बाद we moved towards tree house. This place is known for its lush green valleys, a cool climate and a peaceful vibes. But staying in a tree house here takes the experience to a whole new level. One of the members of this hotel guided us towards our room and he guided us that here is the bonfire in few minutes and this will be the restaurant. And these all are the walking area towards our room. Our tree house was at certain distance and meanwhile I saw the first tree house on the way and it just encourages my interest towards the tree house, and it was really surrounded by lush greenery and we have to walk for more few minutes and here we go, it's the tree house in front of me and some ponds with fish and some more greenery area. So here we go and finally I reached to my own tree house. We have certain numbers on the tree house and my tree house is tree house number 3. This room is cozy yet luxurious. Wooden interiors, a comfortable bed, clean washroom and a private balcony. Built on a strong tree surrounded by nature, this wooden tree house feels straight out of a fairy tale. And now we are going out to just explore the side view of this hotel. And all are in this hotel only, and there is bonfire at night. And here is the look of this hotel, so pleasant. रात का वक्त है और मुन्नार की ये पहाड़ियाँ अब बिल्कुल एक सपने जैसे लग रही है। जैसे ही सूरज पूरी तरह ढलता है, ट्री हाउस की ये रोशनी अंधेरे जंगल के बीच एक छोटा सा जादू बन जाती है। ठंडी हवा धीरे धीरे पत्तों को छू रही है और रात की खामोशी बस दिल को सुकून देने वाली है। I woke up in the morning and went to the balcony to see the first look of the outside view. I had been waiting since night to see the view from my private balcony. I was wondering when morning would come so I could step out. As soon as I saw the view, I became very happy because it was truly heart-touching. I had never seen such a view before. Then I kept hearing the continuous sound of the falling water, but I could not understand where it was coming from. That is when I remembered that during the night check-in, the hotel staff had mentioned something about a waterfall here. As the hotel staff here told me, there is a small waterfall in this resort that you can see in the morning. Hearing this, I got very excited and woke up at 6 a.m. to go there and see the waterfall. The path was quite slippery because of the water, but still I somehow managed to reach there. The only disappointment was that I could not go very close to the waterfall because there was no proper path leading to it. However, I captured it on my camera. It was very beautiful and turned out to be a wonderful experience. The fresh air, the sound of birds and this view simply magic. There are many more tree houses here and all of them looked absolutely beautiful. Some are big while others are smaller in size. This place is perfect whether you are traveling with family and friends or planning a peaceful getaway as a couple. As we walked further, I noticed a honeybee cultivation area and my friend Bunny Rabbit was there too. Overall, this hotel truly takes you far away from city life. It is surrounded by nature and gives you complete natural vibes. Mornings in Munnar are pure bliss, cool breeze, misty view and the calmness that city life can never give. This is the restaurant area. We haven't had breakfast yet because it will take some time to be served. So I decided to record the front view of the hotel first. There is also a swimming pool here with comfortable relaxing chairs. This is the front look of the hotel, the Bamboo Dale Hotel. This is the complete view at a glance. Living in a tree house reconnects you with nature. No noise, no stress, just you and the mountains. This stay is perfect for couples, honeymooners, solo travelers, and anyone looking for peace and romance. Now we are heading for breakfast, and this is the inside view of their restaurant. It looks very well managed and extremely clean. The food here is simple, fresh and delicious, and the hospitality was warm and welcoming, just like Kerala itself. If you are planning a trip to Munnar, this treehouse stay should definitely be on your list. Like, share and subscribe for more travel experience like this. See you in the next journey. Till then, bye bye.